Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 30, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column J, 5 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9. Column H, column I, and 4th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row and 9th grade we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will be here. Only 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 5. 9th grade we already have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. 10th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Tenth row 5 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. 8th grade. Then column C we have 7 and 3. Pair numbers. So 7 and 3 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th grade we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 3 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 9. Column C we have 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth grade 5 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Column C and 5th row we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 9. 7th row we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. Column D we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. 8th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade 4 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 5, 9. 9th row we have 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column D we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. Column B we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grade 4 numbers are remaining 2, 8, 5, 6. 4th row we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining 4 and 6. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 4 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 7, 8. Column F and 6th grade, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 5, 7. Third row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the two cells. Fourth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. Column I, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. 5 and 7, it will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 7. Sixth grade, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the two cells. Column G, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1. So no one can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.